Hey guys, how's it going? How to get my Facebook account back. So, open the Facebook login page, okay? Log in with your account. And then basically click on forgotten password or forgot password. Enter your email or phone number and click search. And then follow the prompts to receive a code via email or SMS. Enter the code to reset your password. If your account is disabled, follow the on-screen instructions for recovery. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.